Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take 10 lines on migrating birds. 10 lines on migrating birds. Before I start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can write them in the comments below. So, let's start. Migrating birds travel long distances. Travel long distances. Between breeding and wintering grounds. Between breeding and wintering grounds. Migrating birds travel long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. They fly thousands of miles each year. They fly thousands of miles each year. Often in large flocks. They fly thousands of miles each year, often in large flocks. Birds migrate to find food. Migrate to find food. Escape harsh weather. Escape harsh weather. And breed. Birds migrate to find food, escape harsh weather, and breed. Many species like robins and hummingbirds, make impressive journeys. Many species like robins and hummingbirds make impressive journeys. Migrating birds use celestial navigation. Landmarks and magnetic fields. Magnetic fields. Migrating birds use celestial navigation, landmarks, and magnetic fields. Some birds migrate alone. While others travel in groups. travel in groups. Some birds migrate alone while others travel in groups. Climate change and habitat loss can disrupt bird migrations. Climate change and habitat loss can disrupt bird migrations. Climate change and habitat loss can disrupt bird migrations. Conservation efforts help protect migrating bird populations. Help protect migrating bird populations. Conservation efforts help protect migrating bird populations. Migrating birds are a wonder of nature. Inspiring awe and curiosity. Inspiring awe and curiosity. Migrating birds are a wonder of nature and inspiring awe and curiosity. Their journeys remind us of the beauty and resilience of world life, the beauty and resilience of the world life. Their journeys remind us of the beauty and resilience of the world life. So this was today's lines on migrating birds. See you next time. Goodbye.